about 1 in the morning and I am feeling the need to clean and the need to reorganize everything because I'm just not happy with how things look. So I'm redoing the closet. That stuff was on the bottom. Now it's not. My underwear stuff, I ordered something different for it, so it's gonna go over there. Yeah, and of course, if you come over here, I have my photos all tucked away. Sorry, my nephew. All tucked away in here. I feel like this box is better for photos just right now. I'm gonna put it under the bed. I feel like this is gonna be like a little photo box, and I made up my mind that's what it's gonna be, so I'm leaving it that way. Yeah, I do need to clean this. And yes, I'm watching Adrienne. I've always loved her. I grew up watching her, and even though I'm a minimalist, I love her YouTube channel. She's hilarious. They're cute together. It's good background noise, so I've been playing that. But yeah, this is what's going on, you guys. Oh, it is a disaster in here, but I promise you, tomorrow will be another day and I will show you how good it looks. I do need to wash this and that. I need to wash all of this. I did do the bathroom, a little sneak peek so far. I'm not done. As you can see, I still got some cleaning to do, but yeah, and I still got to do the floors, so I'm not gonna turn the light on because you know that fan's gonna drive me insane. I need to put those back in there because I was reorganizing that drawer. I want to figure out what to do with those things and maybe like try to keep this empty. I just feel like our place is just too cluttered and I feel like it's getting to me. Another thing I want to change is I want to switch this plant to over here tomorrow and then that plant to over there somehow. I don't know how it's gonna look, but I need a change and I feel like that plant would do so much better over there. And even though it looks great, it was dying a couple weeks ago, so I feel like she's not happy here. Even though she is growing a lot of new leaves, most of the leaves that are growing are really small, so I feel like it's a lack of sunlight. So I want to move her. I know a lot of you guys suggested to take this down. Someone even said that this gives them nightmares. I can't take that down. That's my boyfriend's, and I don't live alone anymore, you guys. So if you guys do not know what that is, that's just Buddha, his eyes, you know, he's meditating, so it's nothing scary, you guys, I promise you. But anyways, yeah, that's staying. As for this stool, I want to find a decent spot for it. I've been using it over there because sometimes I sit there during the day and like have my laptop here just to get a different kind of view. I mean, there's not really much space to work with. Oh, and of course I did help my boyfriend organize his closet. So I kind of like hung up his pants for him and he's got his little section as well. So yeah, a lot to do. I did order a couple things off Amazon to help me organize and keep things like in place. I bought a basket for both of our yoga mats and all of our workout gear. I just wish this thing was like up there rather than right there because I feel like it's taken so much space. Like if this wasn't here, I probably would move that giant monstera like right here, but I can't because it obviously like we need to plug that in for the summertime because that's our AC. And that plant will end up dying. I feel like I'm talking too much right now, but you guys are probably wondering like, what are you doing here alone? My boyfriend actually is visiting his mom. I decided to stay behind to get everything organized because I can't think in a space like this. Oh, and I'm definitely going to be washing this whole bed set tomorrow. I haven't washed it since I moved here. Yeah, I haven't washed it since I moved here, so I feel like I need to wash at least the sheet once a week. I don't know why. Maybe I'm crazy, but I just think of bacteria and I just think of germs, and with us sweating at night, it's just, especially with it being hot, I just want to put everything to the wash. And tomorrow I will show you the after shot. Not so much of the closet, because I'm like, the closet I'm not even done with. I ordered a couple things off Amazon that's gonna help me reorganize that, because we will be staying in this studio probably for a year, so I need to feel content here. So I'll do a whole closet video soon. I know I keep saying that, but I'm just not happy with the way it looks, so bear with me. Finally, a nice clean space. So here's the deal. I had to put things behind the trash can, and that's just like extra stuff, like our like stocked up piles and stuff, so I keep going back and forth to the store, because I mean, who wants to go back and forth to the store as of right now? So it is just hiding over there. But I did steam the floors, so they're nice and cleaned. I know you guys are seeing some little marks there. That's just chipped. So, but I did end up moving this little guy here, and I like that one here better because it doesn't come out like the other one did. I will show you the bedroom in a minute, but I do want to explain a couple things. The closet, again, I'm not showing you just yet. We're gonna wait on that just because I'm gonna do a whole closet video, and I'm waiting on a couple things to organize it. But I already did the laundry, which took me all day. I had to do this laundry. I had to do this whole thing. Mine and his, I didn't want to leave his in there. That's so rude. I'm not that kind of person. But I want to say that I spent a couple hours doing laundry because I washed the towels, like everything that's in here. I washed the shower curtain, I washed the mat, and I feel like everything looks so much neater, kind of neater. I mean, if it was up to me, I'd get rid of all that. But you know, I don't live alone. This right here, this is something that I wanted to do for a while to make it look a little bit neater, and that is all my stuff. So the big one's mine. That's what I use every day, all that stuff, along with his things that he uses every month. So this is his like brace kit. He takes the wires off because right now he can't really go to the dentist. I mean, you guys know what's going on. The dentist isn't really open to change like the elastics. His dentist even told him to do it at home. So that's his little thing. I stocked up the toilet paper. He has his special toothpaste. I have mine. So yeah, that's that. Of course, like this stuff is gonna be put away. I would have filmed me cleaning, but I mean, I think you guys see me clean a million times. Some extra towels that I need to go put away as well, because I did just get done doing laundry. I washed this whole entire bedding along with like the throw blankets, the pillows. I washed it all. And of course, the one thing I want to show you guys, don't mind the mess, I'm actually working, I'm editing videos as we speak. I want to show you how well this monstera looks. Like, it looks like she was made for that spot. So I'm hoping that she grows bigger. There's one side, like that little side right there, that's completely bald. So fingers crossed that she grows fuller in that area, because I feel like this is a lot brighter than over there, because this is blocking a lot of light. Oh, well, hello there. I do not have food for you right now. You need to wait. And of course, I do still need to put this away. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I know my body's not in shape right now. I'm working on it. I don't really like showing my body online, but anyways, these bands, I don't know if you guys can actually see them, are amazing. I just got done doing an hour, not with these, but like I do these for, it was 10 minutes with these. Oh my goodness, my thighs are shaking. Like I said before on my Instagram, everything that I use with this thing This has helped me with my posture. I know it's like a waist trainer, but it keeps me nice and straight because it has like where it tightens up here and then you can tighten it up again. Another thing is I always have these, and I'm going to try to link the sneakers that I use because I've been getting a lot of questions on these. They're just plain Adidas's. I will try to link everything that I use. I mean, the weights are basically sold out nowadays, but I'll try to link everything in my Amazon storefront. As of right now, I need to shower and edit a video and also make a smoothie for breakfast because I only had a bath. That was a couple hours ago, and I'm sweating. I just can't wait for these arms to be toned. I'm working on it, guys. I'm working on it. Decided to try something new with my hair today with just water, but I don't know if I'm liking it. It is very, very wavy because it's humid outside and I don't have any bobby pins, so your girl is using a clip. You can't see it because it blends in with my hair, so yeah. So now let me get back to my filming session.